Hygenicat litter is a natural mineral volcanic rock with no chemical additives. Because it's non-toxic, this means it's safer and healthier for cats and humans. With no additives or perfumes, it's also 100% recyclable. Hygenicat's extremely powerful absorption allows it to hold excessively large volumes of waste with no odor. As well, it maintains its granular form and does not turn into mud, making for very easy cleanup. Cats are automatically attracted to Hygenicat litter because they're instinctively drawn to products which have the ability to cover up their scent and absorb their waste odor.
I've been using Hygenicat for about a month now. When I first put the Hygenicat out for my cat, I was quite amazed that she used it immediately. My cat has continually used Hygenicat for the month period, even still with her old clumpy litter sitting next to it side by side. What I really like about the Hygenicat is that there is no odor, there is no mud, there is no dust, and it's really much more maintenance free than I thought it would be. There's no accumulation of liquid at the bottom or anything. One great feature about Hygenicat that I've noticed is that my cat no longer tracks the litter around the house. With the Hygenicat, there is no mud in between her claws and everything, and there is no residual tracking on the carpet or anything like that. It's a great feature. Being environmentally conscious myself, I like the fact that Hygenicat is environmentally friendly. One of the biggest problems I have in my house is the odor from the litter box. Hygenicat has absolutely no odor, and that is truly amazing to me. I will continue to use Hygenicat because after a month I've been really sold on the product.
We're going to add equal amounts of water to all three types of litter, and we'll see how Hygenicat fares next to these competitor products in terms of absorbency and odor control. As you can see, when we add water to the clumping litter, it turns into a solid mass, kind of like concrete. One of the problems with clumping litters is that when a cat tracks it out of the litter box on its paws and then cleans itself, the contact with wet saliva has the same impact on the litter in the cat's intestinal tract. This competitor's non-clumping litter is likely to be a safer product for your cat. However, as you can see here, when we add water, it turns quite muddy in the container, and a lot of the liquid just sits in the bottom of the container and is not absorbed. This makes for quite messy cleanup. However, when we add water to Hygenicat, we can see that it maintains its granular consistency and absorbs much more liquid than the other two products here. This means that it's not as easily tracked by your cat, and it certainly makes for easier litter box maintenance.
I was really skeptical about the product at first. It just looked like a bunch of rocks, and I wasn't sure that it would work. It's a granular product that doesn't stick to the cat's feet, so they're not tracking it all over the house, and they're also not ingesting it when they're licking their paws. I love that the product is natural, that it absolutely doesn't hold any scent, and it gives off no scent of its own when you pour it in. The bags are lightweight and small. It's quite surprising how much absorption the product has, so it's very convenient for me to use.
Hygenicat is made from a type of volcanic lava found only in the Patagônia region of Argentina. It is important to make sure that your cat's litter box is filled at least 2 inches with the product in order for it to efficiently absorb liquid and smell. For best results, clean litter daily if possible, and replace Hygenicat when litter turns yellow. In summary, at a time when consumers are becoming more and more health conscious about products they use, Hygenicat is a healthy, natural alternative to traditional litters. Buying Hygenicat simply makes good sense. It lasts longer, it absorbs more, it gives 100% odor control, so your cat's litter box won't smell. It's completely natural, non-toxic, and recyclable. It's not dusty, and it doesn't turn into mud when it's wet. Bigger granules help cats stay cleaner and mean less litter is tracked out of the bin through the house. It's lightweight and easy to store. Buying Hygenicat simply makes good sense.